And welcome back. Another just review, but it's a exciting one for me anyway. I've got in my hands the remote control Mercedes-Benz AAV from the remote control line they did for the Lost World. I had this as a kid, but haven't seen this in person since like 1998. And the box isn't in the most amazing condition, so I am gonna pop this open, take it out, all that. AA batteries, sweet, I have some. Now I'm hoping that I can just slit some tape open here and there and pull it out, because even though it's not a mint box, I still want to keep it as intact as possible. Okay, ready to go. Well, that's a bunch of yuck, but I got it out. Well, at least the actual vehicle's in mint condition, right? And gorgeously, so. Ooh, it's even got the Mercedes symbol. Look at that. That's a little unfortunate, but maybe that, I think that's a sticker. I think I can get that off anyway. Oh, for sure, cool. I think I will. Plastic's a little warped, but you know, it's like a 30-year-old deal here. I just realized I'm still talking with my mask on. Nice. It does suck that the controller is connected. Like, what the hell, yo? But let's get batteries in here and play with this a little bit. Yes, sir. That looks pretty spot on to what we saw in the movie. Silly thing is, though, it's a RC, right? It's gonna run into shit. But it's got all of these brittle, fragile parts that would just crack off and break off. I don't even know what this is. I don't remember that in the movie. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Well. Alright, let's try this again. I do just absolutely love the details on this though. Everything, even the little lights, they use the foil trick. Oh, plexi bubble. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed today's content, make sure to like and subscribe. That way I can produce more of it for you. All right, have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.